Hi, John. Thought I'd make a quick screencast here for you on what we're trying to do with this website, Vitamin Partners. Essentially, what we need to do is fix all of the product data from the manufacturer's website for each of these brands. For example, if you look at this one, which is Relora by Pure Encapsulations, you'll see there's a nice description, a photo, um, and all the information is kind of filled in. So what I need your help with is I'm going to look at one specific brand here to start with, but I mean all of these brands essentially need to be gone through one by one, so there's a ton of work here. But let's start with this one, Master Supplements. As you can see, I went through and just did two of these as an example. But for example, let's look here at Theraflac. I go in and there's no picture and there's no description other than this, which is not that good. So we want to kind of clean this up. So essentially what I need you to do is go to the manufacturer's website and get the information. So I'll be giving you administrator access to the product section if you are interested in doing this, but we'll go to the product section, and if I go to all the vendors here, we'll go to that same one I was just looking at, which is Master Supplements INC, and then here's that Theralac. So I'm going to go, and I found this already on their main website. Now this is going to be different for every manufacturer, so unfortunately I can't really give you an exact way that this is always going to be done. But here's what I want to do is I'm going to go to their store and kind of copy everything from their store. Now what I'd like you to do, if there's always a larger image, please always use the largest image possible. So that's the first thing I'm going to do is save the image. And what I'd like you to do is name it after their manufacturer product number or the SKU that you'll find. So for the single bottle, the SKU is T bottle. So that's how I'm going to name it. And again, please try to find the largest image possible. And then I don't want to copy anything that is related to their store. So all of this I do not want. However, the things down here, anything that's talking about the actual product itself, I want to copy. I don't want to copy, again, anything about the specific store that we're copying it from. So I'll do that. And now, if I go back to my administrator section, here's our product in the store. Again, very, very plain. We need to add to it. So when I go to edit, we can leave the title the same. That's fine. And I'm going to paste in what I just copied from the other page. And then after you paste that in, the most important thing we need to set here is called MPN. And this, again, is the same thing. You just name the image, which would be T bottle. And again, I'm getting that from here. It's either going to be SKU or MPN is what we want to name it as from the manufacturer. So that's it for this one. I'm going to hit update. And now you'll see the description is filled in and the MPN is filled in. However, we need to get the image in. So I hit choose file, T bottle. I'll let it upload, and what I'd like you to do is then set the alt text to be kind of use your imagination here. I'll probably use a bit of the title and then from the description, advanced probiotic, digestive and immune system support. And I'm just going to paste that in again for SEO. I'm sure you know how important the alt tag is. So then we hit save, and that should be it. If I go back and click on Theraflac now, we have a nice picture that actually zooms automatically because we used a large image. And you have a nice description here, which makes this look a lot better than it did with nothing there. And that's really all we're looking for you to do, but we have a lot of brands, and I'll kind of go through with you one by one. We'll maybe start with a brand that only has a few products and then work our way up from there. Thanks, John.